Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what was once considered science fiction. One of the most fascinating and perhaps unnerving frontiers of AI research is its potential to interact with and even control the human brain. Imagine a world where AI can decipher our thoughts, emotions, and memories. This is no longer a distant dream, but a looming reality. Scientists are exploring how AI algorithms can be used to decode neural activity, essentially reading our minds. This breakthrough has profound implications for various fields, from medicine to marketing. By understanding the language of our neurons, AI could potentially treat neurological disorders, enhance human cognition, and even create entirely new forms of communication. However, the prospect of AI delving into the sanctum of our minds also raises significant concerns. The idea of an external entity having access to our innermost thoughts and feelings is unsettling to say the least. It challenges our fundamental understanding of privacy, autonomy, and what it means to be human. As we stand on the cusp of this mind-bending revolution, it is crucial to approach the development and deployment of these technologies with utmost caution and responsibility. The future of our minds, and perhaps even our very humanity, may depend on the choices we make today.
The bridge between our brains and computers is being built by technologies known as brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs. These remarkable devices establish a direct communication pathway between our neural activity and external devices, such as computers, prosthetics, and even other brains. BCIs come in various forms, from non-invasive devices like electroencephalography caps that read brainwaves from the scalp, to more invasive implants that penetrate the skull and interact directly with neurons. Each type of BCI has its own set of advantages and limitations, and the field is constantly evolving with new and improved technologies emerging.
One of the most promising applications of BCIs is in the field of medicine. For individuals with paralysis or limb amputations, BCIs offer a glimmer of hope to regain lost mobility and independence. By controlling prosthetic limbs with their thoughts, these individuals can experience a newfound sense of freedom and agency. Beyond medical applications, BCIs also hold immense potential for gaming, entertainment, and even communication. Imagine controlling virtual avatars with your mind, experiencing immersive virtual realities, or even communicating telepathically with others. The possibilities are as vast as our imaginations.
The convergence of AI